One bottle, 16 cocktails. Can it be done? Well, let's put this bottle of vodka to the ultimate test. So here's the plan. We're gonna take one bottle and stretch it out to 16 different cocktails. Some of them you may be familiar with, some of them may be new to you, but I promise you all of them are going to be delicious. Hi everybody, I'm Chris from A Bar Above, where we make some of the most professional, durable, and beautiful barware on the planet. So if you are looking to upgrade some of your equipment, definitely check us out over at abarabove.com. Now, I also was a bartender for over 15 years, and I bring a lot of the business of bartending into some of these videos as well. So for today's video, what we're gonna be doing is making a bunch of cocktails with a single bottle. Now, there's a couple things that we have to agree upon. First of all, we're gonna be using a 750 milliliter bottle of vodka. The other thing that we have to agree upon is what a standard pour is for this entire video. Now, if you look online, the answers are all over the place, and this is gonna be where things get a little bit fun. If you are a bartender watching this video, put your standard pours in the comments below. This should be very entertaining. Now, for the purposes of this video, we are going to assume that our standard pour is 1.5 fluid ounces. So what that means is in a 750 milliliter bottle, we're gonna roughly get about 16 cocktails out of every single bottle. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna use a single bottle of vodka and make 16 cocktails. The very first cocktail we're gonna make is probably the easiest one as well, a vodka soda. And we just garnish it with a lime. Cocktail number 2, the screwdriver. Number 3, the Cape Cod. Number 4, the Moscow Mule. Number 5, the lemon drop. Just for a tip here, a little bit of simple syrup does wonders to this cocktail. The Black Russian. And for a bonus, if you want a White Russian, just add a little bit of half and half of cream. The Cosmopolitan. Just a kick, like a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, takes us to the next level. The Salty Dog. So here is a tip for you if you are going to be making a salty dog. First, fresh squeezed grapefruit juice is absolutely the best. Try Ruby Red or maybe one of the Texas Sweets. If you can't get that, I highly recommend Ocean Spray Ruby Red. It makes a delicious salty dog. The espresso martini. Cucumber basil gimlet. The Bay Breeze. The Bloody Mary. The Hawaiian Sunset. The Negrovski. The Cucumber and Elderflower Cosmo. Saving the best for last, the classic martini. One bottle, 16 cocktails, proving how versatile a single bottle of alcohol can possibly be. Now, if you had a favorite, drop it in the comments below, and I'll see you next round. Cheers.